Okay, today we're here to talk to you about the Triassic, where huge reptiles, dinosaurs roamed the Great Pangea, and where fauna dominated. Where the biggest mass extinction occurred ever in the history of everything, and tons of important events like the breakup of the huge landmass.
First, we're going to start with some basic facts. The Triassic followed the largest extinction in the history of life, and it occurred when Pangea existed, and that altered the global climate and ocean circulations. And Pangea was straddling the equator, and its breakup affected the climate and made it a lot warmer. And the continents were at really high elevation compared to sea level at that time, and the sea level did not change drastically during the Triassic.
Now we know basic facts, let's do some important events. We found lots of important events that not only impacted the Triassic period, but impacted every other period. Breakup of Pangea starts, which is about 250 million years ago. Then sea urchins start to appear. The evolutionary split between lizards and dinosaurs occur. Now we're at about 235 million years ago. The first prototype of mammals emerged. The meteor impact on what is now Canada occurred at about 214 million years ago. The first evidence of mammals ever at about 200 million years ago. Then the mass extinction with the low oxygen levels in the ocean occurred about 200 million years ago. Laurasia and Gondwana were formed 199 million years ago, which is when Pangea split up.
Now that we know some of the important events, let's focus on life. The dinosaurs were the main fauna, and sea ferns and gymnosperms were the main flora. The life was categorized into three groups, which were survivors of the Permo-Triassic extinction, new groups which survived for a short period of time, and then new groups which went on to rule the Mesozoic era. Some of the ferns existed in the wetter climates, and the poorer soils were also populated by ferns. And in the northern forests, there were a lot of conifers, ginkgos, and cycads. And in conclusion, the Triassic had many important events in life forms, and those included dinosaurs and ferns, and a lot of pine trees. And a lot of these plants and animals died during the ocean extinction because of drinking contaminated water. And it's clear that the Triassic had many important events, but the Cretaceous period also had many other important